At the heart of our solar system blazes the Sun, a colossal sphere of hydrogen and helium that fuels life on Earth. Born about 4.6 billion years ago, it holds 99.8% of the solar system's mass and is so massive that over 1 million Earths could fit inside. Every second, it fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing immense energy through nuclear fusion. Its surface, the photosphere, burns at roughly 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the core reaches a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius. Light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to travel the 150 million kilometers to Earth. But the Sun is not eternal. It's a middle-aged star, currently in its stable main sequence phase. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, then shed its outer layers and fade into a white dwarf. Until then, it remains our radiant life-giver silently roaring across the cosmos.